My foundation is almost finished. We put in the perimeter drain and the rain system yesterday. Today we got to do the radon piping, which is new to the BC building code, which basically means I just have to add a ton more drain rock and a bunch of piping underneath the ground in case there's radon in the future. And we still need to backfill. We did the damp proofing. I'm gonna make a whole video on the damp proofing because it's a long story. And then we're gonna be done the foundation, and I am so ready to be done this foundation and to celebrate this milestone being finished. Yeah. Hey, if you're new here, I'm Jackie. I bought bare land on Vancouver Island 4 years ago with the goal to be more self-sufficient. I started with a garden and a food forest, and now it's time to build myself an eco-home. Hate the plastic, but what do? This is the perimeter drain in the bottom here, the perforated pipe. This is for the rainwater catchment. This is a clean out for the perimeter drain. Rainwater collection into here. And all of this rainwater is going to be going into my cistern. And then we had to have clean outs all along here for the perimeter drain. Put in some nails and we're hanging it off of the wall because the backfill is going to come up. This is like grade here. This is above grade. So all of this will be under the dirt.
Those are the top of the clean outs, yeah.
Okay.
So I got 10 of them. So why don't we finish, because I just needed to grab these. We were short a couple of these.
Oh, right.
For the rainwater leader.
Okay.
So why don't we finish that and then glue these in, and then we're done the perimeter drain.
Those get glued in? I thought they're clean outs. Don't you need to be able to open them? Oh, yeah.
This screws out.
Okay.
So you glue this in, and then that you have access through that. Okay, so do you want to work on that? Do you want to glue these, go along and glue 10 of these in?
Sure.
Yeah.
So these sit inside. Oh, fancy. 1 done. 9 more to go. Whew. Do not put your head in that hole. Smelly. 7 more to go. And you need an obstacle course for me here. Today we're installing radon piping. This is something new to the BC building code, so we've had to kind of learn as we go of what exactly we're doing. So Carpenter Kev is going to explain to you how to install radon piping.
Carpenter Kev here. Basically, we are going to run radon pipe into each, they call it plenum. Each section
This one
needs to have a radon vent pipe into it. So when we installed the footings, we put this 4-inch PVC pipe through the footing, centered in this plenum. So what we need to do is we need to run a pipe to roughly, they say roughly the center.
Alright, so we're doing 62 inches in, and as Kevin said, we have to put 4 inches of drain rock?
At least 4 inches.
Which is a lot of extra. This is another plenum here, and then another one there, and then the main house crawl space here. So we need 3 pipes for these 3 plenums. Adapter? That's the male?
No, the bell is the female.
Oh, the bell's the female.
Oh yeah, because it,
You know, the male's got to go
okay.
into the female.
Do I really need to explain this? Oh my gosh. Okay, there we go.
Nice.
So technically, once this is filled with drain rock, the gas will come up into if the gas comes up, it'll come up into the drain rock, then we'll have a vapor barrier on top of the drain rock, so it can't go through. Then, once we pressurize the pipe through we'll put a fan. Well, you don't have to put a fan unless you test positive.
Unless you test positive.
So technically, once the fan's installed, it'll pressurize the pipe system, and it'll create suction here, and it'll suck the gas out of this whole plenum.
Yeah, and then the gas goes into the pipes, and it goes there's like something in the roof
Goes through the roof, yes.
Goes through the roof. All right, moving on to numero dos. Yeah, so this piece here that we cut off from the other one didn't have the valve curve on it, so we're using coupling.
Great. Next plenum.
And when I say we, I mean we. Let's move to the next one.
It just became code in late 2024. This is actually the first time I've ever installed a radon system.
General idea, bury a bunch of plastic, add about $3,000 to the cost of your build for a possibility of having radon in your ground. And radon is a gas that can cause cancer and make you sick and all the same stuff that plastic can do, actually.
Man, this glue will make you sick, I'll tell you that much.
I know. We've been huffing this stuff all day. We just did the perimeter drain and the... Okay, get the board in order. It's good use of materials there, Carpenter Kev.
You know, my boss is very adamant about not wasting anything, any materials. Happy boss, happy life. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Safety goggles. Beauties. Okay. So now we need a pipe.
Bell ends towards
We
me.
want the male end this way, yes. All right. You want to push on that end?
Yeah.
Why?
Okay, so we're connecting everything here. This one, we have to have like a suction going out. So that's for that section here. And then this one gets connected into that one there. And then we'll have another one connected into here to that one. And then that one also has to go into the middle of the plumes.
Plenum.
Plenum?
I think.
Plenum. So it is getting pretty busy in here. That's the suction out of that way. Connects here. This one connects to there.
This one is going to be going up like this,
All right, we have one going up too.
right? Because this point here is going to come through our skim coat. And once we pressurize it, if we have to, it will suck all of these plenums. It will suck any gas out of all of these plenums.
Yep.
It's in your eyes. I've seen the signs. I feel the sparkle in the air sometimes. Don't ask me why. Just cross the line. I know how this
All right.
Beauty.
Nice.
Let's glue this naughty one. Okay. Am I holding it right for you?
Oh my god. Getting high off these
Yeah.
fumes here. Whew.
Feeling good here. Okay, ready? Let's go this one first. Okay.
Yes, okay.
You went out. I don't want to put my butt in your face.
You did already.
Ugh.
Nice.
That's how the pros do it. Ugh. Now we just need to extendo this bad boy here.
Oh, we have to do the center of this one yet too, don't
Yeah, we do these and then we're done.
we? Oh my gosh, this is a never-ending radon pipe.
Well, a very important thing.
Okay, what?
This is one of the things the code specifies. We have to have this coming through our slab and we need to label this radon.
And
Because you never know. People might not know what this is for. The radon.
radon.
Oh, you're doing it wrong.
Failed inspection. It needs to be capital letters.
Below that level, so that's good.
Hey, we're finished. Yay! So this is my big radon piping system.
Got a section point right here. This is our first section point for this plenum.
And there,
At that section point,
and
that
there,
section point, and then
and there.
these
And then
three
three.
points go through the footing, and they get 1, 2, 3 plenums over here.
So all the air can be sucked up all those openings, and then it follows this fun little traily path to here, and then gets sucked up out of the roof. And I would, if there's radon detected, then I would need to have a fan. And
If we do need to put a fan in, we'll put it in your crawl space, and it'll pressurize this whole system, and it'll create suction.
yeah,
Get rid of the radon.
if there's radon. We passed inspection, so now it's time to cover that radon piping with some drain rock, and we can backfill the perimeter drain because we passed inspection.